Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today we're showing you a fun fold inspired by Karen Titus using the 6x6 in colors for 2023 to 2025. This is Pebble Path. It opens like this using one piece of 6x6. So let's get started. So these are the pieces that you need. Starting with the card base measuring 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. At the fold part that's inside, you start with a 4 and 10 3/4, and you want to score it at 2 1/2, and then cut off 2 3/4. A square measuring 2 by 2, and this is the template to cut your 6x6 piece. And we'll do that. And I marked this one as the first cut to just remind you. So let's get the labels out. Go ahead and fold along the score line here using your bone folder to make a nice crisp fold. We can go ahead and adhere that to here. I'm going to use our lovely Stampin' seal. I'll put a T here to remind me where the top is. And some adhesive just in the corners. That's just my style of doing it to make sure they don't pop up. Center it there, and let's follow along with the template. So the first cut, as the template says, at 3 3/4, depending on what side you want, the circles or the stripes. Let's go ahead and do the stripes since the sample is using the circles. 3 3/4. Then the second, then you cut the 1 inch off of this. Turn it. I like to use the 1 inch on this side. Then on the remaining side, you're going to cut 3 3/4, which leaves you a 2 1/4 half square. So this is what you just cut. It's like a puzzle. Oh, I think I had it right the first time. Okay. So this piece, you're going to cut off 2 1/2 here. It's an extra cut. That I added in here. So we're going to start with this side here. And that goes here. That leaves you some white to sign on. And then this piece is going to fit here. Then the piece that you fit off the fold goes right across this way. So you're only going to put adhesive on this side so your card will actually open. So my trick to that is to put the adhesive on the far left side and then here in the middle. Center that. Then we're going to let's stamp this, and I'm using the Happy Birthday from the Circle Sayings in Pebble Path, one of the in colors. And I did this in my last card class. Remember to put it diagonally. And let's adhere that. And then this will go here. So again, only halfway. So the trick again, the left side here and the left side here. Centering on there. Then you can use this side to adhere right here if you'd like to continue with the pattern. And this is the bonus piece. That's a nice and quick, easy, fun fold. So if you like this video and want to see more, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Sharing It With You is the name of the YouTube channel, and this is the name of my blog. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.